Our ancestors looked up at the night sky filled with wonder. A ribbon of light, the Milky Way, stretched across the cosmos. Today we know this is our galaxy, seen from within, a vast city of stars, gas, and dust. It's where our story unfolds. The Milky Way is a spiral galaxy, a majestic collection of hundreds of billions of stars. It's so large that light takes 100,000 years to travel from one side to the other. Our sun, a rather ordinary star, resides in a quiet corner of this galactic metropolis. The Milky Way, it turns out, is a bit of a cosmic cannibal. It has a history of pulling in smaller galaxies with its gravity, absorbing their stars and gas. This process, called galactic cannibalism, is how galaxies grow and evolve over billions of years. Think of it as cosmic recycling, where the building blocks of old galaxies become part of new ones. Our galaxy is currently in the process of consuming a dwarf galaxy called the Sagittarius Dwarf Spheroidal Galaxy. This little galaxy is being torn apart by the Milky Way's gravity, its stars scattered like fireflies across the night sky. While absorbing smaller galaxies might seem impressive, it's the Milky Way's future collision with the Andromeda Galaxy that has astronomers buzzing. Andromeda, a spiral galaxy even larger than our own, is on a direct collision course with the Milky Way. This isn't some distant cosmic event. It's predicted to happen in about 4 billion years. When we look at distant galaxies with telescopes, we often see evidence of past mergers. Distorted shapes, tidal tails of stars, and bursts of star formation all point to these cosmic collisions. While the thought of galaxies colliding might seem chaotic and destructive, it's important to remember the vast distances between stars within a galaxy. It's unlikely that our Sun, or any other star in the Milky Way, would actually collide directly with a star from Andromeda. However, the gravitational interactions between the two galaxies will have a profound effect on the orbits of stars. Stars, including our Sun, will be flung into new regions of the merged galaxy. Some stars might even be ejected entirely from Milkomeda, becoming interstellar wanderers. The night sky, as seen from planets orbiting those stars, would be dramatically different. Instead of the familiar Milky Way, observers would see a dazzling display of stars and gas, a cosmic kaleidoscope created by the merger. The Milky Way, like many spiral galaxies, is still forming new stars. We see evidence of this in the spiral arms, where clouds of gas and dust collapse under gravity, igniting new stellar fires. However, the rate of star formation in the Milky Way has been declining for billions of years. The exact reasons for this decline aren't fully understood, but it suggests that our galaxy might be slowly running out of fuel. If this trend continues, the Milky Way could eventually become a red and dead galaxy, populated by aging stars and with little to no new star formation. The brilliant blue of young hot stars would disappear, leaving behind the dimmer glow of red giants and white dwarfs. When galaxies collide, the event might seem destructive on a grand scale, but it can also trigger new waves of star formation. As these vast clouds of gas and dust are compressed and heated, they provide the raw materials and energy necessary for new stars to burst into existence. Take the Milky Way Andromeda collision, for instance. This cosmic event is predicted to trigger a burst of star formation, creating what can only be described as a dazzling display of stellar fireworks. These newly formed stars will be scattered throughout the merged galaxy, potentially giving rise to new planetary systems. It's fascinating to contemplate the fate of our own Sun in the context of these cosmic events. Our Sun, a middle-aged star, has about 5 billion years left in its current state. After that, it will expand into a red giant, engulfing the inner planets, including Earth. While this might seem like a distant event, it's a reminder that even stars have a life cycle, and ours is no exception. The eventual fate of our Sun is intertwined with the fate of the Milky Way. If the Milky Way were to collide with Andromeda before our Sun reaches its red giant phase, the Sun and its planets would be caught up in the gravitational maelstrom. Our solar system could be flung into a new region of the merged galaxy, potentially closer to the galactic center or even out into the galactic halo. The disappearance of the Milky Way is not something to fear. It's a natural part of the evolution of the universe. Instead of viewing it as an end, we can choose to see it as a new beginning, an opportunity for the universe to reinvent itself. The universe is full of wonder and beauty, and there is still so much we don't know. The study of galaxies, their evolution, and their ultimate fate is a frontier of scientific exploration. It encourages us to make the most of our brief moment in the cosmic spotlight and to strive to leave behind a legacy that will outlive our species and our planet. The universe is a vast and mysterious place, full of wonders that we have yet to discover. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we will undoubtedly encounter new challenges and mysteries. But one thing is certain, the pursuit of knowledge and understanding is a journey worth taking. The disappearance of the Milky Way is a reminder that nothing in the universe is permanent, and that change is the only constant. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we are bound to make new discoveries that will challenge our understanding of the universe and our place in it. These discoveries will undoubtedly lead to more questions, but that's the beauty of science. It's a never-ending quest for knowledge. The universe is a vast and mysterious place, and we have only just begun to scratch the surface of its secrets. The disappearance of the Milky Way, while a significant event in the grand scheme of the universe, should not fill us with despair. Instead, it should serve as a catalyst for reflection and a renewed appreciation for the cosmos and our place within it. The universe is constantly evolving, and we are fortunate to live in a time when we can observe and study these incredible events, even if they are billions of years in the making. The knowledge we gain from these studies not only deepens our understanding of the universe, but also has the potential to inspire new technologies and innovations that could benefit humanity in countless ways.